Welcome back everybody. So guys, here in this video we'll be talking about some more things about the react.js. So we'll be talking about the props as we discussed in a previous class. So what is a prop? What are the props and how we can use them? Basically it's just like the props is just like the state, but there is a very simple difference that the props is immutable. Whenever you just want an immutable data, you just use the props. And how you can use that and how you can make the props worthful, I'm just gonna work on it for now. I'm gonna delete all these things first of all. Also there are two ways to use the props, or many ways, but for now I'm just gonna guide you the two ways. So first of all, I'm gonna delete this constructor way, delete that one, and yeah, it's cool, but there we're not going to call the props the state anymore. We're going to call the prop. Let's just call it the props. Okay, and here I'm just calling the props again, and at the very bottom I'm just doing the same, the props. Okay, now save it, and now just go to the browser to confirm that if it's working and refresh that. You know that only we're getting the header, the title. That means the server and the page is working fine, but we're not getting any result here. So now I'm gonna get the result. Actually, just like the previous way, we just need to define the props somewhere. So for this thing, I'm just going to the main.js, and I'm now gonna define the props inside the React DOM. There, I'm gonna define that. I'm gonna guide you how we can do that. Remember the name of the props. We just put it the header, the content, the footer. First of all, I'm just designing the header. Spelling must be clear and must be same. Okay, exactly this one I'm just gonna make here. Okay, inside this tag here, just like an attribute. Okay, I'm just putting the data as an attribute in a main.js, and this will be called any app.jsx, and absolutely all the data from the app.jsx will be gone to the index.html. So I'm just gonna do that here for now. Header equal to, and here I'm just typing this is the header. Save it, go to the browser, and there you can see that this is the header. That means it's working. Oh yeah, here if you just go back, you can see that there we just put it this .props.header. There is no header or the content like this is header. We just typed. Sound is working fine. Now the time is to put the content, and I'm gonna put the content for now in a very simple manner. I'm just going to the main.js again, and just like I'm adding another attribute, I'm just typing the content. Same spelling. Don't forget that spelling must be same as we put it here. The content, content, same spelling here, and equal to. With the same manner, you can put these spaces like that if you just want to make it more clear and more beautiful. So there I'm just typing this is the content. Awesome, save it. Now go to the browser, you'll be seeing the content here. That means yeah, it's working fine. And then if you just want to add another one, the footer, and equal to, and putting the putting things like this is save it now and go to the browser back. There is a browser, you can see that this is a footer. That means all things are working. Now what do you want to apply with this content? This is a simple content, but what do you want to apply to them, to this content? I'm just going to the app.jsx, and I just want to apply the div here. I just want to apply the, you can see that the h1 tag, the div again, and div again. If you just want to apply some kind of specific special thing, how to add these styles, and you can add these styles. So guys, this is a very basic way to work on props, but I'm going to guide you some more things about the props.